Conductivity is the ability of a material to accept the flow of electricity through it. This electricity is the flow of electric charges like electrons through a material, thereby creating an electric potential. Materials that allow electricity to flow through them are called conductors. Examples include metals such as copper, silver, aluminum, and zinc. These are mostly used in electric cables for the conduction of currents to our homes or from electric sockets to our devices. On the other hand, substances like glass, rubber, wood, and plastics do not allow electricity to flow through them easily. Such materials are called insulators. But there also exist some materials that have conductive properties between that of conductors and insulators, and these are called semiconductors. Due to their unique conductivity and resistivity properties, semiconductors are used in almost all electronic devices like computers, televisions, DVDs, video games, and also in the conversion of light to electricity in the solar cell, like in solar panels that we see on the roofs of some houses. Semiconductors act like insulators at low temperatures. This is because at low temperatures there are no free electrons to conduct electricity. Unlike in metals, the conductivity of semiconductors increases with an increase in temperature and decreases with a fall in temperature. In semiconductors, an electric current is generated by the movement of electrons, ions, and holes. The idea of holes is used in semiconductors to describe the absence of an electron in the shell of an atom. We shall explain more on this in our lesson on the conduction of semiconductors. The conductivity of semiconductors can be increased by adding a small fraction of some other element to the semiconducting material. Such elements that are added to the semiconducting material to increase their conductivity are called impurities, and the process of doing this is called doping. Elements that act as semiconductors in their pure form are called intrinsic semiconductors. Examples of such elements are germanium and silicon, while semiconductors that have impurities such as boron are called extrinsic semiconductors. An example is gallium arsenide. Some devices that are made of semiconducting materials are diodes, transistors, and integrated circuits. These are used to amplify current, switch current from AC to DC, resist the flow of current in another direction, and so on. Check out for more on semiconductors in our subsequent lessons. Bye for now.